I kind of went through this research period of looking into agroforestry practices and kind of companion planting in agriculture, and I came across legumes and beans as this sort of very central plant that has been used as an amazing companion plant in sustainable agriculture and really old indigenous practices of agriculture, because beans and other legumes have an amazing capability that not many plants have of being able to capture nitrogen in the atmosphere, and with the help of soil bacteria transform it into nitrogen that can be fixed into the soil. And nitrogen is a really important element and kind of food, I guess, for all plants, really. And so it is an element that the soil has been depleted of through intensive farming, through practices of using pesticides and herbicides. And so in a way, beans, when I kind of came across that and talked to farmers and people who are in that world about this, it sort of felt like planting beans was almost this like revolutionary or really act of resistance against intensive practices of agriculture and monoculture. And so I've been fascinated by this kind of really symbiotic relationship that legume plants and beans have, and how they behave in the soil in relationship to the soil itself, in relationship to other plants, how they are able to regenerate soil and kind of make this amazing nutrient available for themselves, but also for lots of other plants. And so I've been kind of looking at beans and legumes as this kind of amazing example of the behavior that we should be adopting more or be more conscious of. And I think everyone should be fascinated by beans, honestly, because this is just a sort of super central, super almost basic kind of relationship that we can definitely embed and learn from in society.